Hello everyone, this is Gurpreet Kaur and I am going to present an oral presentation on topic microbial population and biochemical changes in fermenting finger millet with my partner Amandeep Kaur. Introduction. India is the world's largest producer of pearl millet and finger millet with the highest area in production. The whole grain is fermented, then combined with rice to make ambali and koch. It is popular dish in South India. A 48-hour investigation of organic millet fermentation was conducted. Throughout the fermentation process, microbiological and chemical analysis were done. The microbial population grew until 18 to 24 hours. The qualitative and the quantitative changes in microflora were consistent throughout the fermentation process. Material and method used. Processing of finger millet. First, finger millet were collected, cleaned, rinsed, dried, and milled into flour and fermented at 30 degrees Celsius. After that, analysis were done at 0, 6, 12, 24, 36, and 48 hours under aseptic circumstances. Analysis. pH measurement produced on the supernatant of 5 ml slurry diluted with distilled water. Titratable acidity measured using the Ellicott filtered through Watsman paper filter paper. Total soluble sugar. It is estimated using the ethanol extract reducing sugar estimated by the 3,5-dinitrocyclic acid method. Total free amino acids estimated spectrophotometrically after reaction with ninhydrin in ethanol extract. Total amylase and amylase activities acid according to the method of Burnfield. Organic acid. This analyzed using HPLC method. Microbial count performed on the selective media after decimal dilution using 0.1% peptone water. Total bacterial count performed on standard plate count agar with pH 7.0. Total lactic count performed on the lactic agar with pH 6.8. Lactobacilli count were carried out on the MRS agar at pH 6.5. Coliform count were made on the BRB agar at pH 7.4. Yeast and mold count performed on the buffered yeast agar at pH 4.5.
Next, we will discuss about the results. And firstly, we will discuss about the figure number 1, which presents the acidity profile of fermenting finger millet. And we see that after 6 hours of fermentation, the pH of finger millet decreased from 6.4 to 5.2 at 24 hours and then to 4.3 at 48 hours. The acidity titrable slowly increasing from 0.13% to 0.7% in 24 hours and then swiftly increasing to 2.5% after 48 hours. There was a no more of rise in titrable acidity or pH of even up to 72 hours, and this might be due to microbial population suppression below pH 4.3 in cereals, millets, and cereal pulse mixes fermented with bacteria. Such a reduction in pH and rise in acidity has been extensively established due to microbial activity, pure cultures, or endogenous grain microflora. Next, we will discuss about the figure number 2, which presents the sugar and free amino acids in fermenting finger millet. The total soluble sugar and reducing sugar increased at 6 hours, followed by a steady decrease up to 24 hours and a further increase at 36 and 48 hours. Similar changes were noted during the fermentation of white and red varieties of in Ethiopia. And next, we observed a significant reduction in the amount of total soluble, reducing and non-reducing sugars during sequential fermentation of pearl millet. And these changes were attributed to the microbial population being controlled by the Duff pH. And the next one is the figure number 3, which presents the amylase activities in fermenting finger millet, and we see that the microorganisms which are involved in natural fermentation of cereals and legumes are essentially the surface flora of seeds. Lactic acid bacteria inhibit pathogenic bacteria by increasing sugars and reducing mold growth, and this suggests direct fermentation of the millet is feasible. So guys, today we have discussed about the microbial population, and that's all about these articles. So thank you so much